Have you ever wondered what truly separates humans from machines in the age of artificial intelligence? What if I told you there's a framework rooted in timeless wisdom that not only protects that advantage, but actually helps you thrive? What if I told you the future isn't about competing with AI, it's about embracing what makes you uniquely human? That's the powerful promise of Human Edge in the AI Age by Nitin Seth. And it might just change how you think about work, success, and your own potential. Hi, I'm David, and today I want to introduce you to a book that's about to become essential reading for anyone seeking success in business, finance, or entrepreneurship. The book is Human Edge in the AI Age, written by global tech leader and author Nitin Seth. It matters right now because we're entering a world where AI can outperform humans at complex reasoning, creativity, even emotional intelligence. And so the question isn't what AI will do to us, but what we must do to preserve and elevate our uniquely human strengths. Let's dive into the heart of the book. Nitin Seth lays out an 8-dimensional framework, Possible, that reveals the core human strengths we must develop to succeed in the AI era. First, problem solving. This isn't just finishing tasks. It's thinking in systems, seeing connections where machines see data points. Imagine a startup founder faced with a new market collapse. Instead of panicking, they step back, see patterns in customer behavior, pivot business models. That ability to adapt, to solve with creativity, not just logic, is what machines can't replicate. For anyone chasing entrepreneurial success, honing human problem solving means you stay a step ahead of automation. Next, openness to change. AI evolves fast. Those who resist adaptation get left behind. Seth urges embracing change as opportunity. Think of a finance manager who proactively learns AI tools, not because they have to, but because they see how it can elevate their decisions. That openness turns fear into leverage. In business, that mindset shift is what separates those who survive disruption from those who ride the wave. Now, this might surprise you, but spirituality is one of Seth's mantras. And he doesn't mean religion. He means connection to purpose, reflection, and inner clarity. Consider an entrepreneur who spends time meditating, not to escape, but to reconnect to their vision. When stress hits, that clarity guides bold decisions. That inner strength can't be coded into AI. For anyone building something meaningful, this spiritual edge fuels resilience and grounded leadership. Fourth, balance. In an era of constant connectivity, burnout lurks everywhere. Seth emphasizes balancing ambition with rest, drive with empathy. Imagine a CEO who enforces no email weekends, not as a luxury, but as a productivity hack. Because rested minds make sharper decisions. That balance breeds sustainability in business. If you're hustling towards success, balance protects both your performance and your well-being. Seth's framework doesn't stop there. It also highlights sportsmanship, impact, leadership, and entrepreneurship. These together form the Possible framework, a guide to nurturing what humans do best. So those are 4 of the most powerful ideas from the book: problem solving, openness to change, spirituality, and balance. Let's bring them closer to home with how you can start applying them today.
Here's how you can begin using these ideas today. No book needed, just simple shifts you can make right now. Problem solving. Next time you're stuck, pause, not react. Map the situation, ask, what's the core issue, and brainstorm 3 creative solutions. Train your mind to see systems, not problems. Open this to change. Pick one emerging tool, maybe an AI app or trend. Spend 30 minutes exploring it. Even curiosity teaches agility. Spirituality. Set aside 5 minutes each morning to reflect. What am I aiming for? And why does it matter? That tiny practice builds clarity for the chaos ahead. Balance. Define a boundary, like digital downtime after 8 p.m., and guard it. Small breaks fuel big breakthroughs. These steps are simple, they're small, but they're potent. They cultivate the human edge before you even open the book. Now, if these ideas have already sparked something in you, imagine how much deeper the full possible framework can go. Human edge in the AI age isn't just theory, it's a roadmap drawn from Nitin Seth's decades leading transformation at McKinsey, Flipkart, Incedo, as well as his journey rooted in deep human wisdom. This book gives you not only insight, it gives you strategy. It's full of stories, frameworks, and guiding mantras you can apply right away. And if you want to lead in the AI era with purpose, resilience, and your uniquely human edge, this is one book you'll want on your shelf. Thank you for watching. I'm genuinely excited for you to discover this book. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights into business, success, and the future of work, check out my video on the magnificent book, Super Agency. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and join our community of ambitious doers building their edge. See you in the next video. Here's to leading with your human edge. Bye-bye.